Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the tools and power is off. Start by examining the plug and cable where it enters the jack. Gently flex and look for a broken clip or crushed jacket. This is often the fault. Once done, strip back about 1/2 inch of jacket to reveal twisted pairs. Make sure cores are clean and not frayed. If the plug simply slipped, you can re-terminate now. Act deliberately. You're preventing shorts and ensuring pairs stay paired, which keeps signal integrity high. Now you'll arrange and seat the conductors precisely. Choose T568B or T568A and keep both ends matching. This preserves polarity and prevents crosstalk. Fan the wires flat, align them, and trim straight so each reaches the plug's pins. Insert the jacket into the plug until it seats under the strain tab. This secures the cable mechanically. Once positioned, crimp firmly with a quality crimper. This presses gold contacts into conductors for a reliable electrical connection. Then visually verify pin seating and jacket retention. With the plug crimped, test the link before final use. Use a multimeter or cable tester to confirm each pair's continuity and correct wiring order. Once confirmed, plug into your device, power it on, and watch the link and activity LEDs. Stable lights mean success. If you get no link, make sure you use the same wiring standard on both ends. Sometimes a misordered pair or a crushed conductor causes issues. Key troubleshooting tip: if link lights stay off, swap the cable with a known good one to isolate plug versus cable problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.